there a DTF all-in-one machine that's hassle-free, space-saving, and perfect for beginners? Today, this machine will give you the answer. The DTF 6002 Nova all-in-one DTF printer. This machine is reshaping how small and medium-sized workshops manage production. The Nova 60 integrates printing, powdering, and curing into one system, minimizing the need for technical experience. It's perfect for teams without dedicated technicians or for anyone who wants a more worry-free workflow. The first highlight is its dual brother print heads. They deliver stable output, smooth color transitions, and reliable printing speed. The 420pl variable droplet control provides a balance between high detail and speed. Its white ink circulation system greatly reduces clogging risks. With Sublistar RIP, you get precise color management and accurate white layer control for reliable output. Its rated speed is about 16 square meters per hour, high among dual-head printers, making it ideal for medium-scale production runs. The second highlight is its true all-in-one structure. Printing, powdering, and curing are integrated in one machine, saving space and labor. The system features smart controls for temperature, tension, feeding, and white ink circulation, reducing human error and improving consistency. The built-in constant temperature curing system ensures even powder melting and more consistent transfer results. If you're new to DTF, Nova's automated workflow makes it much easier. No worrying about film misalignment, uneven powder, or unstable curing conditions. One machine does the entire process, reducing equipment footprint and keeping your workspace cooler and tidier. For e-commerce sellers, small workshops, or outsourcing businesses, this machine is easy to manage, stable, and very cost-efficient. If you're thinking about upgrading your equipment, this is the best timing. The Nova is now part of our special promotion, bigger discounts than usual and limited stock available. First come, first served. Don't miss the chance to upgrade with the lowest investment. For more helpful DTF printing tips and industry insights, make sure to follow Sublistar. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video. See you in the next one.